Okay, 2-3 worksheet 2, slope-intercept form and graphing, that's what we're working on. So, the directions for 1 through 4, it says write an equation in slope-intercept form using the given slope and the y-intercept. So you're going to write down y equals mx plus b, and you're going to substitute m and b. So y is equal to 2x plus 4/3. Done. Next, number 3, y equals mx plus b, same exact thing. Y is equal to 2/5 x plus 17/5. That is done. Number 5. 5 through 16 are all exactly the same directions. Write each equation in slope-intercept form. Identify the slope and the y-intercept of the equation. Graph the equation by using the slope and the y-intercept. So that means I have to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 5x. So y is equal to negative 5x plus 4. Your slope is negative 5. Put it over 1. According to rise over run, the rise is always up, and the run, if it's negative, it goes to the left 1 unit. My b value is 4, which means my y-intercept is the ordered pair 0, 4. And notice in your homework, I actually have that written as an ordered pair, so that's supposed to be 0, 4 there, okay? So I'm going to start at 0, 4, and then I'm going to rise up 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to go to the right 1, or to the left, sorry, definitely going to the left. 1 unit, and that puts me there. I'm off my graph a little bit, but that's okay. So I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to go to the right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go to the right 1. That puts me here. So that means here's my line. Okay? Let's keep going. Number 10. X equals 3. Whoops. Okay, so x equals 3. Do you remember this? From the very first video of slope. Positive, negative, 0, undefined. And I said, if it's on the mountain, then it has y and x in the equation. If it's on level ground, it's y equals a number, and if it's undefined, it's x equals a number. This is a vertical line because it's just x equals a number. So therefore, my vertical line is at 3. However, what is my slope? My slope is going to be undefined, and then my y-intercept, the y-intercept is the point on the graph where it crosses the y-axis. Does this line cross this axis right here? The answer to that is no, it doesn't cross. So therefore, my y-intercept is none. Okay? Number 14. Number 14 is going to be negative 3y plus 2x is equal to 9. I'm solving for y, so I'm going to subtract 2x. So negative 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 9. And I'm going to divide each and every term by negative 3. This cancels out, and I'm left with y is equal to a double negative is a positive, and 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. What I need out of this is my slope. My slope is 2/3. Well, according to rise over run, it is positive, so I'm going up 2 and going 3 units to the right. My b value is negative 3, which means I have the ordered pair 0, negative 3. So that's your y-intercept. So I start at 0, negative 3. I'm going to go up 2 units and then to the right 3. Up 2 units and to the right 3. Now I'm going to be off my graph, so I can go down 2 units and to the left 3. Down 2 units and to the left 3. So there is going to be my graph. And I will be done then. Last one I'm going to do with you is number 15. We're solving for y. So if I'm solving for y, I'm going to subtract x over 2 from both sides. So that's going to give me negative 2y is equal to negative x over 2 plus 4. Now, we would typically divide both sides by -2. When you divide by -2, isn't that the same thing as multiplying by -1/2? So this is going to be y is equal to a positive x over 4 if I distribute, minus half of 4 is going to be a -2. So now what does this mean? It means that my lovely little slope is going to be 1/4, and that means I'm going to go rise up 1, and I'm going to run to the right 4 units. And then my b value is -2, which means it's 0, -2. So I start right here. I run up 1 unit and to the right 4. Up 1 and to the right 4. And there is my graph. And I would love to have had the line tool. And there's my graph. If you have any questions, please let me know. That's the rest of your homework.